Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the stock of Ring Central INC. Now, this is a decent amount of move that we have seen in the last trading session. Although, if you are looking at the overall performance of the stock, so in the past 6 months, it is again started recovering, but over a period of time, as you can see, this is a decent amount of rise that the stock has shown in the last or in the past 5 years. So overall, the chart or the price action looks positive. And although if you are looking at the estimate target, it is higher than the current price here. Also, you have a very low beta as for the market. So this stock generally move with lots of steadiness. Okay, you can't find very much volatility on the overall price pattern. So those who look for some steady price movement, they can definitely look for these kind of stocks. Now let's see what makes this stock moved up in this morning session. So as you can see, so what though effects of pandemic are beginning to ease, software-based messaging, phone and video services remain in growth mode as they enable remote work and help organizations save on cost compared to traditional telecom services. Now, Ring Central is a leader in unified communication as a service, battling with Microsoft for the top spot in Gartner's ranking. Okay, and the company offers a contact center solution for larger enterprises. This is what we have here. Now, what Ring Central expected fourth quarter revenues to advance another 30% YOY to about 434 million, and adjusting profits. So basically, what the news based on which the stock went up is the earnings expectation and a better growth, a better earning expectation we have here. Although they have talked about the company and it is well placed as far as the trend is concerned. Now, uh, revenue or a result is also expected, but with a slightly positive note. Obviously, there will be some negative points as well, but basically, they are, for example, they are looking for a revenue growth of more than 30% YOY and operating profit margin of 10.5%. And basically, this sector is overall on the growth side, even though we are moving out and things are started normalizing. So this is what we have as far as the data is concerned, news is concerned. Let's check about the price action on the chart. So this is what we have, and let me tell you, if you are by looking at this chart, anyone can see that this is an uptrending chart. Okay, but the kind of strength it has is actually very good. Why I am saying this is, you may not see big moves, although it has moved quite higher. So as you can see, 3,500% in a matter of 7 or 8 years. So this is a very decent amount of move. Okay, people are habituated with 5,000, 10,000%, but this is a very decent amount of move, and with lots of steadiness, the stock is moving higher. So at any time you have purchased the stock, obviously you are in profit. If you are looking at the current price action, you have your support or stop loss at $210, and the immediate target that we are looking here is $458, which is the recent high that the stock has made. Now, this is about the current price action, but if you are looking at the overall price, what one can see over here will be something like this. let me show it to you. So this is what we have as far as the lower end of the range is concerned. And if I draw a trend line like this, so this is the higher end of the range is concerned, which means if the stock started moving higher, the big price action that we are looking here will push the price in between 770 and $1,000 in the upcoming uh, weeks and months. So this is a range because we cannot identify a particular point. So this is a range, but this is a good range that we have, or a decent amount of price action uh, that we can actually see, or that we about to see going forward. And obviously you can't expect a very big jump, but over a period of time this kind of stocks definitely look good, and you can gain much more if the compounding happens on longer term basis. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.